Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video I will show you how to fix pen drive not formatted in your Windows PC, like you are getting Windows was unable to complete the format. This error will occur when you try to format your pen drive. So I will show the easy step. Let's see how to repair this issue. Go to run command, type diskpart and hit enter. Okay, now type list disk. There are two disks available. One is my hard drive and one is my pen drive. So disk 0 is my hard drive and disk 1 is my pen drive, because hard drive always has the bigger memory than pen drive. So these are common sense. So disk 1 is my pen drive because it has only 7600 MB and my hard drive has 931 GB. So disk 1 is my pen drive. Easy thing to understand this. Okay. Now type select disk 1. Just type here select disk 1. That's means pen drive. Disk 1 means pen drive. Hit enter. Type clean. Just type here clean. Hit enter. Okay, done, finish. Now type create partition primary. Create partition primary. Don't be confused. I have given all this code in my video description link, so just you copy paste this. After you type create partition primary, hit enter. Okay, successfully complete. Now type active and hit enter. Type select partition 1. That's mean pen drive. Hit enter. Okay. The last command is format. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, type format space fs is equal to, type the is equal to here, then type FAT32. You can take NTFS, but I'm going to format with the FAT32, and after this just hit enter and your pen drive will start to format. So don't disturb your pen drive or don't do anything, just let it to do its job, let it to complete 100%, and after this just close this window and you will get your pen drive working position. So that's it. Hope this will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.